Hello friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. As usual, one more IPO is coming, all because of the greatness of the bull market. I repeat, supposed bull market, because market is going down for the last few days. How long it will go down, how much it will go down, we don't know, and depending on that, the IPOs will go through or will fail. Today, I am going to go through the IPO Barbeque Nation. It was incorporated in 2006 by Sayaji Hotels Limited, Kayum Dhanani, Roof Dayani, and Suchitra Dhanani in Mumbai. It's one of the leading casual dining restaurants in India, and the first Barbeque Nation restaurant was opened in 2008. Currently, it has more than 150 Barbeque Nation restaurants in 77 cities in India and 6 international restaurants in 3 countries. The company has diversified into another brand called Red Apple, which operates 10 Italian restaurants in Bangalore and Chennai. It also owns and operates Toscano restaurants and UBQ by Barbeque Nation. UBQ caters to the delivery segment. Famous investor Mr. Rakesh Junjunwala's investment firm holds a 2.83% stake in the company. In 2018, the company had got SEBI approval for the IPO but did not go ahead due to unfavorable market conditions. This is a picture of a Barbeque Nation restaurant as a sample we are showing you. Now coming to the most important aspect, the financials. 31st March 2018, total turnover 590 crores and the profit after tax was minus 5.8 crores. 31st March 2019, turnover 743 crores and the loss was minus 38 crores. 31st March 2020, total turnover 851 crores and the loss is 33 crores. 8 months ending 30th November 2020, 236.61 crores is a turnover and the loss is about 101 crores. What are the strengths of the company which is going to IPO? Number one of India's fastest growing restaurant brands. Number 2, diversified menu for both vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Number 3, experienced promoters and managers. What are the risks? Number 1, it reported a loss in every year for the last 4 years. Number 2, the COVID situation has affected all restaurant business and it is still uncertain when things will get normal. Third one, some of the company promoters are involved in SEBI proceedings in relation to certain non-compliances under securities related law. What are the listed peer companies for valuation of the present company? Jubilant Foodworks, also called as Domino's, 234 is the PE ratio. Westlife Development, belonging to McDonald's, loss-making company. Specialty Restaurants, loss-making company. Barbeque Nation at issue price, loss-making company. PE ratio cannot be calculated for loss-making companies. What are the objectives of the IPO? To make repayment of companies' borrowings, for expansion of number of outlets, to provide an exit option for existing shareholders and promoters, plus to meet general corporate purposes. Face value is rupees 5. Please note the face value is rupees 5. Issue price 498 lower band, 500 upper band. That means if the face value becomes 10 rupees, then the issue price reaches 1000 rupees, which is quite expensive. Current grey market premium for this issue is almost 0, and as of today, that means expected listing price is 500 rupees only. The IPO size is 453 crores. Fresh issue 180 crores. 273 crores goes in sale of shares by existing promoters and investors to bail them out, and it is also called as offer for sale. One lot is 30 shares and then you have to part with 15,000 rupees. Maximum a retail investor can apply for 13 lots, that means 390 shares, and you have to part with 1,95,000 rupees. Promoter shareholding pattern: pre-issue to IPO 60.21, post-issue after the IPO after dilution is not known because the data is not available in the records. IPO quota: qualified institutional buyers 75%, retail investors 10%, high net worth individuals 15%. Since the average profits of the company for the last 3 years is negative, SEBI has allowed only 10% quota for retail investors, and rest of the risk will be taken by QIPs and HNIs. IPO timetable: opens on 24th March, closes on 26th March, finalization of allotment 1st March, refunds if any 5th March, getting into demat account 6th April, and finally IPO listing in the browsers 7th April 2021. As of now, grey market premium is 0. Also, the retail investors quota is very less, and hence there is less chance of allotment. IPO, the first day is 24th March, Wednesday. Based on data of grey market premium and any other updates like what is the subscription, etc., on 25th March, second day of the IPO, we will come out with a beautiful video, small video. And that video will tell you the grey market premium on 25th March, Thursday, and also any updated information. Based on that video, please take your decision whether to apply for this IPO or not. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe and press the bell icon. Video is good, press like button. The video contents are good, then please make sure that you send it to all your friends so that they too will take the decision of buying the IPO or not. And in the comment section, please put good in case you feel the contents are good. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye. All the best.